Hello everyone. Today I will be telling you about two important functions that we are going to use in Python pandas data frame, and those two functions are combine first function and concat function. So before that I am going to import a CSV file comma separated value file in Python pandas. So I can create a data frame with the help of my CSV file comma separated value file that I have created in Excel. So how to get that CSV file in my pandas, Python pandas, I'll be telling you that. So I'll create a variable data frame object x1. You can take any valid data frame object. Now pd dot read underscore csv. I have written over here pd because I have written import panda as pd. I have given an alternate name or ls name to pandas. So same name I can use over here. Therefore I am writing pd. The pd dot read csv, and my csv is in D drive, the csv file. You have to use 2/ and then the name is r1.csv comma save. Now so when I write x1, it will create. Now this is my data frame. The name of this data frame is x1. So if I want to see it, which type of object it is, this type x1, so it is a data frame. I've also created one more data frame so that we can merge them or we can combine them. So I will take one more variable x2 and name of the file was r2. So now I am having x1 and x2. These are my two data frame object, data frames, two separate data frames. So first we will be trying combine first function. The use of combine first function, combine combine first function. Okay, this is the function that we are going to use first. So combine first function combines the two data frame in a way that uses the method of patching the data. And patching the data means if in a data frame a certain cell has missing data, that is nan value, and corresponding cell, that is the one with the same index and column id, in another data frame have some valid data, that is non-nan value, then this method picks the valid data from the second data frame and patches it in the first data frame, so that now it also has valid data at that cell. Only the missing values from the other data frame and all non-matching rows are also copied. So when we will use combine first function, wherever there is non or missing value or nan values, it will be occupied by some another values from some another data frame which is having same row label and the column label. Now how to do this? Now suppose I have written I want to combine values of x2 in x1. The missing values of wherever there is a missing value is in x1, it will be occupied by the valid values of x2 data frame. So I can read the command x1 dot combine first and then x2. Now what this will do, wherever there is missing value, like here we are having one missing value, here there is one nan missing value, where there is a missing value, and here we are having one missing value. So wherever there is a missing value and in this data frame at that particular location, that is this is region 1 and row label 3, region 1 I am making 123. so what will happen, 123 will move over here, 4 will go to the nan value, and 89 will go to the nan value. And since we don't have any nan, any values, any reason for over here, any separate columns with the name reason for over here, so this nan value will remain as it is. So let's try this. So x1 dot combine first x2. So see over here, wherever there was nan value, that nan value has been occupied by a valid value from some another data frame. This is the use of combine first. So as I have already told you, combine first method uses a method called patching of data. Patching of data means if in a data frame at a particular location you'd have none value, that is nan value, and at same location in some another data frame, that is same location means have the data frame having same label, row label and the column label. If they are having a valid value, then that valid value will be copied to the nan value or the null value. So here in x1 I am copying the valid value from x2. Also only the missing values from the other data frame and all non-matching rows and columns are also copied. So if I am having any non-matching rows or column, it also gets copied. Like suppose if I had one more row over here, so that row will also be copied, or I am having one more column called reason 5, that will also be copied. Now I will do it another way. Here I am copying or combining x1 and x2, that is missing values. In place of missing values of x1, valid values of x2 will come. Now suppose I will create one more data frame x3 which will have the values from x2. So I want to create a new data frame from an already existing data frame named x2. So I can write x2 dot copy. So when I will give this command x2 dot copy, x3 will have the same values that x2 is having, but they will not be interlinked. That means whatever changes I will do in x3, that will not be copied in x2. Now suppose I want to make some changes in it. I want to change the value, so I can write x3 dot, I can loc location and at 1 row level 1 and region 2 I want to give a nan value, np dot nan. So when I will write x3, so you can see a nan value over here. Now suppose I want to add a new column in x3. I want to add a new column, name of the column region, region 4 I want to give it region 6. Okay, let's give it region 6, and then I want to add certain values in it. I have to create a list. I can give any value, np dot, let's give a nan value also, and 1 2 3 4 5 values should be there because there are 5 rows. 1 2 3 4 5, I have already entered 3 values, one more value, and I am entering one more nan value. Right, I forgot to use a bracket, square bracket over here. So this will create a new column named region 6 in x3, which will contain these values. So when I write x3, these values will come. When I write x1, this is the data frame which consists of 4 columns: region 1, region 2, region 3 and region 4. These are my 4 columns. Okay, these are my 4 columns in x1, and in x3 I am having region 1, region 2, region 3 and one more I have added, this is region 6. So when I will do combine first, let's do the combine first in these two. I have written in x1 I want to combine. You can combine x3 in x1 or x1 in x3, it's up to you. x1 dot combine x3. So what is this, what is happening over here? Now in x1, wherever there is nan value, it will be occupied by the same value in same value that I am having at a particular location in x3. So when I will press enter, so there is a missing okay, sorry, I've written the wrong statement. It's combine first, right? Now it's right, it's combine first x3. Now see over here, region 1, region 2, region 3 and region 4 are in x1, so it is displaying region 1, region 2, region 3 and region 4 from x1. So wherever there is nan value, like over here I am having a nan value, one nan value, one nan value over here and one nan value. So I will go for the same location in region 3. Now here in the same location in region 3 I am having 123, so you can see that 123 over here, because I am patching x3 to x1. That means I am copying the value of x3 to x1 wherever there is a nan value in x1, but the row and column should match. Same thing over here, nan value over here, at same location I am having 4 over here, so 4 you can see over here. Same thing goes over here in region 3 I am having nan value in x1 in x, and in the same location I am having 89 in x3, so 89 is coming over here. And now see over here in region 4 I am having nan value, sorry, over here in x1 I am having a nan value. There is no region 4 in x3, so you will find the same nan value over here, because I can't replace this nan value with some another nan value having different row and column ID. And then I have once more region 6 over here with additional columns which is not present in x1, so that column will come as it is over here, same. Right. So this is the use of combine first method. So only the missing values from the other data frame, and all non-matching rows are also copied, that is non-matching rows or column, and the nan values and the missing values from the other data frame are only copied. So that's what's happening over here. Like here region 1 there is a valid value, here also there is a valid value. This value will not be copied over here, only the missing value will get copied. In region 2 there is a valid value in x1, here it is a valid value. This valid value will not be copied over here. Here let's go for this example. Here in region 3 there is a missing value, and here in region 3 in x3 we are having a valid value. So this value will be replaced over here, it will be copied over here. So this will happen when you will use the option combine first method. So combine first method combines the two data frame in a way that uses the method of patching the data. As I have already told you, patching the data means if in a data frame a certain cell has missing data and corresponding cell, this is important, corresponding cell means the one with the same row index and the column ID in another data frame have some valid data, then this method picks the valid data from the second data frame and patches it, pasted it, copies it in the first data frame. So only the missing values and all non-matching rows and columns are copied. So this you have to keep in mind. So this was about combine first method. In my next video I will be telling you about use of concat function. So thank you for seeing this video.